If you have not already watched the full Get Ready With Me video on this look right here, I'm gonna leave a card up top for you guys. Make sure you go check that out.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me?
Today I'm going to be showing you how I install this gorgeous lace frontal wig from SlaynGo Wigs. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. This is one of their naturally straight 13 by 6 inch HD lace frontal wigs. It does have 6 inches of parting space. You can do a lot of different styling options with that. This wig is 20 inches long and it is a straight texture. It is really pretty. I like the density of this wig because it's not too full and it's not thin. It is a believable density. So I feel like it's giving more like a sew-in rather than a wig. If you're interested in purchasing this wig from SlaynGo Wigs, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any details on this wig. If you have any questions on that, it'll have the density and everything in the description box down below. And if you would like to see how I installed this wig today from start to finish, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. Cover these scars. different schedule, can't handle reality. You can't understand it, trying to manage, repair the damage. A couple steps, but in slow motion. A couple distant in oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie, can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it. You don't know how much longer you could walk around and wonder why it gotta be you. Tell me that it ain't true. What's happening to me? Can't nobody see you. A couple steps, but in slow motion. A couple distant in oceans like that.
I hope that y'all enjoyed this wig install. I think it turned out super cute. If you're looking for a super sleek, natural density straight wig, this is going to be your wig right here. This was my first time trying out a wig from SlaynGo Wigs, so I definitely would recommend this one. If you have not already checked out my Get Ready With Me video on this look right here, make sure you keep the party going and go to that video because I share and spill a lot of tea in that video. So you definitely want to check that baby out next.